Hadin balayat kumbashis nemtam kajingmi kehukum na kesorkar ban khang kamai ye ki arshaka ki bakamai lingba ke app rapido da kabale online ni offline ban penpoi ye ki breu ki balet bawan na kwe kejaka shakawai hakaling kanong ba shalong namar kadon kajing kamai kabalong bean bat kani nakaliang kekenhun kinong nya rapido nakapor syakapor kila let banye kendo iktanak sorkar beper ban dawa ban ithu no eki bekilong ki pabit ban kamai ban ai no eki da ki permit kumbalong lem ki local taxi henry kani ke jingdawa kat haduk minta kampat urlong bat ha ka arpau tarik unaitung kani ka kenhun jeng kinong nya rapido kabala tip kum ka right to serve kala let banye kendo yu menteri ka tanak transport ubak senyau bahalang dar ban pen ken mau biang sisin syaka sorkar ban pen urlong no ik jingdawa jengki bat habayo banye kren bat menteri ulai thu ban nakaliang jong ka sorkar kamshim rai halor ka jingdawa jengki bat nakaliang jong u ulong ba unsara syaka kenhun menteri banye kren ye kani kamat
not a problem. They just submit me a representation. They request me to give them permit, and that's what I will do. I will make them legal. As soon as they are illegal, friends.
Kini kiba kamai offline itu.
That's their duty. My duty is to give first the permit and document, and then I'll see if there is any complaint from the public. That is a normal process.
Kemauan untuk minta pergi penuh negara.
No, that I have to pass in the cabinet. No. I have to pass. Okay, we'll make them register, we'll give them permit. Only then what are the offline, online, it's up to them only. Yeah, if it affects the people of the state, and if somebody complains, I'll take action against the complaint.
Kiki action prinsip mereka don't dibawa.
Don't expect I'll take action. Hope things will be in order, everything.
Kalau kemauan lagi payah bila uri kini kan, jangan overshot ke joki.
No problem. If I receive the complaint, I will call meeting. How I call meeting on the complaint?
Adalah I permit yaki ke kendan proper charge.
Yet to decide in the cabinet. There will be a proper table how to implement the fees.
Ka by charge ka.
Yes, we have to put the full transport. First we'll pass in the cabinet. We'll make them legal, and then we'll put the fees annually or whatever it may be, and then the process how to move in the city. So there is a guideline to guide them properly.
So ini nama kani kajing dawa jungki keladin ada musim Senin. Te ke bapen Senin pak ada mentah. Nama kajing Senin mentah.
The first application I get today only. I don't know about the last one yet. Today is the first, and I'll get passed in the cabinet in a few days. Today is the first application I got. It may be 1-2 years. You are right, but no complaint how I'll take action as a minister.
Oh, he suggest kumna yaki as of now pak bakimpat
I
legal.
don't suggest anything. Then we make them legal first, and then I will come with the rules and regulation.
So are they allowed to just go illegally and?
That's why no, I won't allow. Frankly speaking, illegally I won't allow.
Kemauan tak isu tak kena.
That's why though I'm yet to study fast. Today the representative came from them. I have to see the report from my department.
So now since it's not legalized, can long be illegal can kamai be ye. So
The law will take action accordingly.
can beteng be bang kamai.
Don't worry. Since this thing come to my knowledge, we will do accordingly. What we should do from the government.
Dah, kalau sibuk mah.